یہ کبھی کبھی ہوتا ہے نا ایک پوسٹ پہ نان انپوز آ جائے.
نہیں
سارے
سر،
کے
ساری
سارے
پوسٹ
unopposed آ گئے.
سارے 15 کے 15 انپوزڈ ہیں. آپ دیکھ لیجئے.
یہ تو ذرا سا تو بڑی ہائیلی کنٹیسٹڈ ہوتے ہیں سیاست میں باتیں. لڑائیاں بھی ہوتی ہیں, مجھے ٹکٹ چاہیے.
دیکھنا یہ الگ الگ کیٹیگریز میں ہے.
جی سر, سیکرٹری جنرل,
پہلے 79 پہ ہے سینٹرل آفس بیئررز کا جو نوٹیفیکیشن ہے.
جی سر.
اس میں 15 آدمی انپوز آ گئے.
جی سر.
اس کے بعد پیج 81 پہ پروونشل آفس بیئرر کی لسٹ ہے بلوچستان کی.
جی سر.
یہ 18 انپوز آ گئے,
سب انپوزڈ ہیں.
اے پی کے کی لسٹ آئی. اس کے بعد 82 پہ یہ 18 انپوز ہیں.
اس میں سر 20
انپوز ہیں.
20 ہے, وہ سب انپوزڈ ہیں.
اس کے بعد پنجاب کی لسٹ آئی ہے.
جی سر, وہ 20 ہیں.
20 انپوز ہیں پنجاب میں بھی.
جی سر.
اور پھر آخری میں سندھ کی ایک لسٹ آئی ہے, یہ بھی 17 انپوز ہیں.
سب انپوزڈ ہیں.
تو یہ پورے الیکشن میں جو یہ جو ریزلٹ ہے نا, جو اتفاق سے میری ابھی نظر پڑی تو فائل کے اوپر یہ سارے انپوز ہی
جی, all of them are unopposed. 100%.
ہوا نہیں.
Who is this person, Niazullah Khan Niazi? Is he in attendance today?
Yes.
آپ وکیل ہیں یا آپ کیا ہیں اس میں, یا پارٹی ہیں اس میں؟
Chief Election Commissioner PTI.
Is he a party in this?
The party respondent number 2, Lordship.
Respondent number 2, my lord.
Respondent.
نہیں, مگر یہ کچھ ذرا سمجھائیں بات. ایک دو پوسٹ تو ہوتی ہیں انپوزڈ ہو جاتے ہیں لوگ, سارے کے سارے انپوزڈ آ گئے.
جی پھر جی
آپ سے نہیں پوچھ رہے نا, ان سے پوچھ رہے نا کیا نام ہے ان کا, نیاز اللہ خان نیازی صاحب سے.
جی لارڈشپ.
یہ عجیب سا اتفاق ہے یا کیا ہے؟
جی نہیں, عجیب اتفاق نہیں ہے, کیونکہ اکارڈنگ ٹو اوور رولز.
میرے رول کی بات صرف آپ سے فیکٹ پوچھ رہا ہوں نا, بحث نہیں کر پوچھ رہا ہوں. صرف یہ تصدیق نہیں بتائیں, نہیں تصدیق کر دیں. ہاں سارے انپوزڈ ہیں.
جی انپوزڈ.
کوئی بھی نہیں الیکشن, ایک الیکشن بھی نہیں ہوا.
نہیں ہوا
پورے پاکستان میں.
پورے پاکستان.
آپ نے نامینیشن فارم ایشو
کیونکہ پینل الیکشن تھا لارڈشپ, پینل. اگر رولز میں پڑھیں گے جو پینل میں
بحث سنیں گے, آپ کیا فکر نہ کریں. یہ آپ ماشاءاللہ آپ کے سینئر موسٹ کاؤنسل اٹینڈنس جی ٹھیک ہے. سو دے کنسیڈ آن the fact that they all unopposed.
They were all unopposed.
Central as well as throughout Pakistan.
Central as well as in all the 4 provinces of Pakistan.
To which what do you say?
My lord, that is one of the submissions, and that the election commission notes that if the elections were held in accordance with the constitution under the supervision of a proper election commission and the party's constitution was followed, because the election commission takes the position that it's not merely that an election has to take place, the election has to be in accordance with the constitution of the political party.
But again, the very word election means what? Simple language means I elect to engage your services, or I elect to engage, to use counsel Mr. Sikandar Bashir's services.
My lord.
As counsel, in everything else also election, you want to elect to go to this restaurant or that.
Yes.
In an election it will be you elect this person or that person or these number of persons.
Yes, ma'am.
So you, otherwise the constitution can simply say whoever the chairman decides will be deemed to be have been elected. So let's either go with democracy because after all it's not just democracy, it's representative democracy.
And that is what the election commission says. And my lord, the election commission further says that when it came to the election commission itself, there is no document on the record to establish that the previous election commissioner was removed lawfully or that the new
previous election commission kaun sa hai?
Sir, inka jo chairman the previous federal election commission ke, there was a gentleman called Jamal Akbar Ansari, and the election commission notes that in its order, which
wasn't it Mr. Justice Fajuddin?
My lord, that was much earlier. That was in 2017 at that time, and there a controversy arose again whether the elections were fair or not, but that's not the controversy before your lordship. And
so after that there was another election commission and another.
Yes, sir. And Mr. Jamal Akbar Ansari later on ceased to be an election commission, and there were no other election commissioners elected.
What is Mr. Jamal Akbar Ansari's viewpoint?
My lord,
or he's not been heard?
I'm not aware, and he is not arrayed as a respondent by them before the Peshawar High Court, because now
Wouldn't he be relevant as a party?
my lord, he was not a party before the Peshawar High Court.
No, but would
And
he be,
he's-
in your opinion, relevant party or not a relevant?
Not really, my lord.
Okay.
Not really, because the Election Commission just takes the position that he was neither removed in terms of the constitution of the party, nor did election to any of the election commissioners, which were, as your lordship noticed, they were to be from each province, one from each province. That took place, and therefore these unopposed election results were declared only and only by the person who is now the respondent number 2 of before your lordship in the petition, and the certificate has been issued.
Which certificate?
My lord, the certificate which was submitted to the Election Commission.
Can you take us back to that provision of the Constitution which requires the whatever?
Yes, my lord.
Where was that provision? Page?
The Election Commission, my lord, is set up under the chapter is chapter 1, part 8, elections,
No, but the
article 213 onwards.
Either your terminology here it says Federal Election Commissioner.
Oh, my lord, you're talking, I'm so
Page,
sorry.
I'm at page 192, which
Yes,
you had
yes.
referred to.
My lord, I'm sorry, I misunderstood it as the Constitution of Pakistan.
No, no. Federal Election Commissioner.
Yes, my lord.
But here at page 80, Mr. Niazullah Khan Niazi describes himself as Chief Election Commissioner.
My lord, yes.
Why not Federal Election Commissioner?
Yes, my lord,
Because the terminology in their constitution is federal. So he may be of a province or I don't know. Why the terminology has been changed?
my lord,
Yeah, page 80 पे देखिए.
yes, sir.
For instance, इधर वो अपने आप को कह रहे हैं चीफ इलेक्शन कमिश्नर. और पेज 192 में आइन में उनके है कि फेडरल इलेक्शन कमिश्नर और फिर वन कमिश्नर from each of the all four provinces and one each from AJK GB, total of 6.
Federal Election Commissioner, Chief of the Federal Election Commission, one commissioner from each of all four provinces, and one each from quasi-provincial areas of AJK and Gilgit-Baltistan.
7 member हो गए
They are total of 6 plus
6
the chief.
plus 1 7.
7.
अब आप जरा आ जाइए पेज इनके जो इन्होंने रिजल्ट्स जो दिए हैं
Yes, my lord.
जी.
Yes, my lord.
तो ये